Hello, Guru Nation. Thank you very much for watching. And today I've got a brand new study coordinator, all the way from South Carolina, Jana. So Jana has taken our CRA Academy.
Yes.
In order to prepare for your job. Give us a background. Who are you? What's your education? What's your goals in the industry?
Okay.
And we'll get into a little bit of that. Maybe 10 minutes.
Okay. So, like you said, I'm Jan. I'm from South Carolina. I went to nursing school. I was in nursing school for a year and a half or so. Then I went and worked in the emergency department, where I met my current boss. And his wife is also a doctor, and so she does pulmonary.
Yeah.
And so I went to work at their pulmonary practice. Well, she also does research, so we kind of branched out, and now we're opening up our own research clinic, and I'm going to be the site coordinator and site manager.
Very good potential there, too.
Yes,
Like, you guys have no competitors.
No.
Right? That you know.
It's like within 50 miles.
And you know everyone in your city.
Yeah.
So there's no other...
No.
They don't even know what research is there,
No,
or clinical research. You guys are the ones that are going to be bringing it to the research naive, which is the best kind of patient population to tap into.
Yeah, and it's underserved, as far as healthcare, too, so if they can benefit from the free medical screenings as well, that helps too with our community as well.
So how were you convinced to do research? Someone had to sell you on this idea, right?
Well, Dr. Ravi Patel, he kind of...
Or you had no choice.
Right, I had no choice.
Oh, you had no choice.
Come with my job.
So it's easy.
Yeah.
Everyone gets in on accident, it seems like. You're no different. Like, I got in on accident. And then, like, like a whole new world opens up.
Yeah.
Like CRA, project manager.
Well, like I was saying, I didn't even know that, research was even a job opportunity. I didn't even realize it was
let alone dozens of jobs.
Right. Yeah, so when he started mentioning it, I started Googling it. Research coordinator. What is a research coordinator? What is my job duties?
Yeah. And you're a nurse. You're an RN.
Yeah, RN.
So how did you think drugs were... You just never thought of it, right?
Well, I mean, I knew they had to be tested, but I never thought, like...
You just assumed,
and I knew they
universities?
had to have FDA, it was regulated. They had to be... had to pass FDA and, go through all the steps, but I never really thought about the process and where the subjects come from and how regulated it had to be, to get the data. I never was actually thought.
Were you overwhelmed with the
at first
info?
Yeah. At first, yeah.
When you first joined the academy?
No, before that.
Before? So there was a before?
Yeah, before the academy, he was mentioning to me, telling me why I was coming on board, what they were going to do, why he wanted me at their office. And he was telling me about the job, we're thinking about research. And he gave me this book, a research coordinator book to read.
Oh, one of those manuals I was talking about.
Yeah, the manual. That's
probably the same one I was given. Yep.
So I
$300.
Yeah, so I read this little book and I was like, there's got to be more than this, I was left too many open ends. What do I do? Okay, you tell me X, Y, Z, but what do I do in between? Like what is legal and what's not legal?
And you're an RN, so you know how to treat patients and you know how to care for them. You're trying to learn a brand new industry as far as documenting and how to do the research. But RNs make the best coordinators and then the best CR. Like, they get hired immediately.
Oh, good.
Yeah, and once you get any experience, your employer's going to try to keep you there. Don't worry, we're going to keep Jana with you.
Well, I told him, I had texted him, I was like, so Dan said I can get a job anywhere with this smile. He said, did you tell him you're not interested?
Good.
That's what he said. He said, be sure you tell him you're not interested.
Good coordinators are extremely hard to find, and RNs are like perfect. And now, so you did the CRA Academy.
Yeah, so after the CRA Academy, well, during it, doing all the research, getting all the certificates, the ADA, GCP, NH, all that explained a lot too, actually going through the modules, that helped. Then going through each module with the site initiation visit, the site selection visit, the interim monitoring visit, you learn what to expect. As a CRC, I learned what to expect from a CRA. So that helped. Now, coming out during the internship, it helped get my hands on and, you know, made everything come together and make sense.
Yeah. And now you're going back. You have yet to do a study.
Right.
But you're going to have some get started.
Yes.
And you're already having monitors request things from you,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
And they assume that you... So you've already done SSV. How many have you done?
3.
3 SSVs?
Yes.
And you're getting how many of those studies?
We have only gotten 1 so far.
Are the other 2 potential?
Well, 1 was the one that right after the SSV they called and said,
one said no. Okay.
we closed out our
all
the
that
rest
happens.
of them, so
That
we're not going to do it. So I think that one's probably just scratched.
That
out
happens,
off.
yeah.
So the other one we haven't heard from yet.
Okay. Follow up.
Yes, I will follow up with
Somebody
that.
needs to.
It was just recently. It was like a couple days before we came out.
Oh,
So
okay. It takes like a few weeks.
Hasn't been that long.
I would follow up after next week, because next week's 4th of July.
So follow up after that.
Yeah, follow up the following week. Because someone's got to follow. This is all follow up. This industry is all follow up.
Yeah.
That's all there is.
So right before the Friday, come here. I left out early Sunday morning to come to Cali. So Friday at like 3 o'clock. I don't know where they were from, or but she emailed me. I need like 10 documents, and I was like, oh my gosh! And it was like the time was almost time for me to get off work, and I was like, check your email.
They always do that.
We have like a ton of stuff we need to do, and Dr. was out of the office, and I needed her signature for this and that, and I was like. So we worked all weekend trying to get all that together, me and him, uploaded, and
yeah.
So now our next goal is to get like some like Google Drive or something, so we can have it anytime. The documents we need anytime.
You guys can get Intralinks from us.
I think he is going to do that.
Just use that because that's already HIPAA compliant, and that's all the FDA stuff compliant. Google Drive, I don't know.
That we were just talking about for like the CVs to have them assign CV at any time, any given time, but we could.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, that'd be good. That'd be good.
But he did mention about getting Intralinks.
Yeah, that's good. So what is your goals now going back?
So going back, I hope to go back and teach because we have another CR.
You got to train now.
Yeah.
Now you're the expert.
So I hope to go back and teach and take back a lot of knowledge, and also, accomplish our first study. That's the next goal, get through it.
Have the SIV.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's next.
Yep.
And then let the work begin. All the stuff we went through on the board today.
Yeah.
It's just the beginning of it.
Yeah, just the beginning. But hopefully that's our short-term goals, to make it through that, and we'd like to get at least 3 by the end of the year.
Yeah, that was the goal I had with him
So
when he joined as a client, and I said, I think that's very realistic, especially where you guys are located. I mean, 0 competition.
Yeah. And
Great
the patients
region.
are there. The patients are there.
Research naive.
Yeah.
And minority participation.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, totally.
So, that's fantastic. Anything else you want to add? You like California?
I love Cali. I don't want to go home. The weather's perfect.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Yeah,
Can't
the
beat
weather's
it.
so nice.
Even the summer, it gets hot in September.
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
we get fire season.
Well, in the evening time, it gets down in like this, high 60s, low 70s.
Yeah, the marine layer comes in.
It is so nice.
Yeah.
The evening's so nice. You
can't do that out
never
there
get
in the
too
summer.
hot. No, you can't do that back home.
No.
You can't go out midday back home. It's so hot. But so I'm definitely coming back.
And we were talking, so there's a lot of options. You're going to start seeing a bunch. CRAs are going to approach you because they're incentivized sometimes to poach coordinators to be CRAs.
Yeah.
So stand your ground.
I'm going to stay there. Hopefully. That's the goal.
Yeah, but that is an option for you later on. And, like we were talking about with nurse practitioner.
Yeah.
If you ever decide to go that route,
I would love
who knows? You might even be able to be a PI at some point.
Yeah.
It's possible.
Yeah, that would be great too.
Good.
Then I could keep my nursing license and do NP and then be PI and do all of it.
Thank you very much, Gianna. Anything else you're still confused about, research-wise?
I don't have any questions right now.
We'll give Guru Nation one final piece of advice. Anything? Just jump into it.
Yeah, jump into it and
Alright.
keep Dan on speed dial.
That's right. Speed dial. Thank you, Jenna. Have a good day tomorrow with Monica.
Okay.
She's got a whole bunch of stuff for you guys. I'm monitoring tomorrow.
Well, thank you for having
Lucky
me.
me. You're welcome. Thank you for coming, and I think you'll do really well. You guys have a lot of potential out there.
I hope so. I think so too. I think we'll do well once people kind of take to research, and they don't know. So once they find out what it's about, and they're not our little guinea pigs, and they're we're not just.
That's the biggest objection you'll get is, hey, from the patients, I don't want to be a guinea pig.
Yeah.
You got to know how to rebuttal that.
Yeah.
Because it's not true.
It's
In
not.
most cases, it's not true. It's true maybe for phase 1 studies.
Yeah.
But even there, it's not true. I mean, they do testing on these drugs in
Way
animals.
before
know,
they put them in
Yes.
for human consumption.
Mhm.
Yeah, I agree. So, but once we, once our patients and the population there, come to our liking, I think we'll be fine. But just coming over that hurdle is going to be the biggest obstacle right now. Yeah, but
Well, good luck. We'll be in touch. I know we will. And then when you come to California again, we got to do a part 2.
Yes.
Or maybe when I go
maybe when
your
you come
way.
to South Carolina,
I gotta go.
You
I
gotta
gotta go.
come. You gotta
Now
come.
I have to.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thank you very much, Jenna, and thank you everyone for watching. And we'll catch y'all later. Bye-bye.
Bye.